Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to explain how you can change the time zone for your workspace on Notion really quickly. So let us get started. Now, doing this is very simple, guys. What you will need to do is head over to Notion, of course, log into your account and select your workspace here in the top left corner. And what you want to do after that is access your workspace's settings by clicking on that button here in the top left. That is going to open up your account settings here. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to your preferences section here in the top left. And here on the right side, you will see a section called language and time. So all you will need to do is enable the time zone here below. As you can see, it's currently disabled for me. So to enable it, you will need to disable the automatic time zone settings using your location above. So usually it should be enabled on default. So simply switch it off here to the right, and that is going to unlock the time zone settings, custom time zone settings below. So simply click on that arrow down icon here and pick your time zone from that list here below. And that should be it, guys. That's how you change the time zone for your workspace for your entire account on Notion. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.